Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify AWS ELB target health for EC2 instances. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the EC2 dashboard. In the left-hand menu, locate and click on Load Balancers. Choose the appropriate load balancer from the list displayed. Scroll down to the Description tab to view the details of the selected load balancer. Next, click on the Targets tab to examine registered targets. Here, you will see a list of your EC2 instances associated with the load balancer. To check the health status of each target, look at the Health Status column. A status of healthy indicates that the instance is functioning properly. If the status shows unhealthy, it means there's an issue affecting the instance. To diagnose the problem, check the Health Check settings in the Health Check section. Make note of the configured health check path, port, and protocol. You may need to access the EC2 instance's security group settings. Ensure that the security group allows traffic from the load balancer on the specified health check port. Next, connect to the EC2 instance using SSH or your preferred method. Verify that the application is running on the specified health check path. Testing the health check URL manually can help confirm if the service is accessible. If the application is unreachable, troubleshoot it as necessary. Return to the AWS Management Console to refresh the target health status. Once you have resolved any issues, the health status should update to healthy. Repeat these steps for any other instances associated with the load balancer as needed. This process ensures your applications remain accessible and perform optimally. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.